Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Menlo Manor #2046 by Big Bear Vacations. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a barbecue facilities. Featuring a hot tub, Menlo Manor #2046 by Big Bear Vacations is located in Big Bear Lake. This property has a balcony, free private parking and free Wi-Fi. The vacation home is fitted with 4 separate bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area and dishwasher, and a living room with a TV. Big Bear Marina is 4.1 miles from the vacation home, while Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain is 4.4 miles from the property. The nearest airport is San Bernardino International Airport, 43 miles from Menlo Manor #2046 by Big Bear Vacations. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.